this is leaking a little bit right here. And I think it's just hanging up because it's old and worn out. The way this is, this float comes up, it's all gummed up. I'm just going to replace everything. Usually you can just take this off. And there's a diaphragm that you can deal with, but I think this is more this hanging up. A lot of times it's your flapper down there. All right, let me get the parts.
Cutter setup is almost alive.
Yeah, what about it?
It's almost alive.
He's getting there. He's having one problem trying to get one thing straightened out. He was telling me earlier. So then, check the height.
You want to come downstairs? You want to come downstairs?
Yes. So I noticed that on the fill valve on the toilet, I showed you, comparing the heights of them, the top to the bottom. And originally you want to get to the right height, and this is the adjustment right here. I never showed you that. So this is how you adjust it. You grab this and just turn it. This brings it up, which will give it more water, bring it higher. This turns it down. I think you can see that.
Interested in one of these things, but not both. The video or the story, but most of the time the story is all bullshit.
Yes, I didn't show you putting that in there. And then let's turn the water back on if I can. Okay, I'm back. We do have to change this flapper because it does leak. And I should have known. I wanted to change it, I didn't, I forgot. And now I'm back. So the flap is right there. And it must be leaking through, and that's common. I didn't think it was, but then this float must have gone down and it filled a couple times this morning when I was editing this. So I'm gonna put my sleeves up so I don't get, shut the water off. The water out of here. Okay. Very simple operation here. Let's try to get closer so you can see better this time. Oops. Okay. So, hopefully you can see. All you do is, oh, this one's not rubber. Okay. Take the chain off. One. I thought this would come out easier than that, but just don't want to. Don't want to break these. I don't care about this. This is bad anyway. So the other thing, you got to make sure you get the right size. I believe this is 2 inch. But this one is. It might be 3 inch. I might have one. So let's toss that. So this toilet is, we built this house like 20 years ago, 2007. 19 years ago we moved in. Christmas, a couple weeks before Christmas 2007. One and two. Come on. Get it in. So, you can adjust the chain. I was thinking it's not opening enough, and I was right. Well, let's try it. Put some water in it. Maybe it don't leak, right? Oh, come on. So everything's so rusty and irony in here because it's well water and we have a little bit of iron in it, but we take care of it with just a water softener and some iron fighting salt. Like that. Trying to make some adjustments so it opens more. In the long run, it wouldn't seal. I'm thinking I may have needed a 3-inch flapper. In the long run, I ended up putting the old one back in, clean the seals out. That seems to work. I'm going to watch it. If I have to replace it, I will again. That should be working fine right there. I put the old one back in, I cleaned out the seal, I didn't see a real problem with it. Just might have had some buildup on it, I don't know. We'll watch it for a couple days. The new one wasn't any good, it wasn't working. Which is unusual, Fluid Master usually makes a good product. There's a full line right here. So that's right, basically where I'm at. You adjust it with this. Is plus or minus water level. Okay. If this video helped you in any way, I would be very thankful if you would subscribe. It would help me out quite a bit. I will have a lot more how-to videos coming up. Thank you very much.